So we often wonder, why was the Sherman used against enemy tanks when it didn't seem to have a particularly powerful gun? It starts small with a 75mm gun, not particularly thick armour. Why were we putting it up against enemy tanks? Well, actually, the Americans designed a tank destroyer that was supposed to be there to knock out the enemy tanks when we met them. But it didn't take too long for the Americans to realise you couldn't always have the right type of tank in the right place at the right time. So they were fighting, Sherman tanks were fighting enemy tanks, even though they weren't really designed for that. Now, belatedly, they upgraded the Sherman. This particular one's got a 75mm gun on. In Britain, we put the massive 17-pounder gun on, a fantastic anti-tank gun. And you can see the Firefly, as that was called, inside the museum. This is a late war Sherman. This particular one's got wider tracks of the early war ones. It's got a twin diesel engine in the back, and that